Yo, family, yo, traders, yo, ruffians. How you guys doing? What's GG? I hope you're enjoying your weekend. It's the Rough Trader here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, the month is coming to an end. The month ends in 2 days' time. And I hope you're all prepared for the new month for us to play the Forex market. And I wish you guys a big, profitable, and blessed new month. So, let's go into the chart. We're looking at GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and XAUUSD, like we've always done. So this is GBPUSD. And the idea of looking at these three major pairs is for us to have a particular pairs we are watching, monitoring, knowing the market behavior, knowing the way the market structures respect, market patterns respect, for us to yes, this is what we are going to do. You know, having a particular pairs you trade really helps a lot. It helps a lot because this is what you're expecting. You wait patiently. If the market does not react, you stay out of it. And when the market reacts, then you want to take your action. That's just the idea behind this. So let's go to our weekly time frame. And we've been anticipating price to get to a support area on the weekly time frame on GBP USD. So this is the support area. Yeah, not just the support area. There's a psychological key level there, which I'm going to label now. Okay, this is the psychological key level 1.16500. And we are also going to mark this week here because price can just come down to this last week area here, because it's actually a formation on the lower time frame, but it might be a week on the weekly time frame. So price might come down here before it starts pushing upward. So that's why we are marking it. So we can just draw a rectangle on this here. So we just know we are expecting price to push downward to this support area. That's what we are just expecting before a possible bullish reversal upward, because GU has been selling for a very long time now. So let's go to the daily time frame before we come back. Okay, this is the daily time frame. Okay, we already have a trend here, a downtrending market. So we as a professional trader, what are we going to do? We are going to spot. You can either use your line chart to spot the trend out, the current trend. Okay, this is a downtrending market, obviously a downtrending market. Then you complement it with your trend line. It's as easy as that. So let's go. You can shift it back to your candlestick for you to adjust your trend lines. You can just shift it to your candlestick. Okay. Okay, now another thing you do is now you pay attention to the areas inside the trend you drew, to the intermediate zone. So you can just switch to a line chart, check for buy pressures and sell pressures too. There's a buy pressure here. There's another buy pressure here too. Even though price broke it. So that's just as simple as that. Then you can just complement it with the rectangle. In downward part, so you can also complement with the rectangle, I mean. And if you notice, price already broke this place last week. Price broke this place last week. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Can you see price already broke this place? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, good. So we already have ourselves a beautiful setup here. But how can we even capitalize from this market? That's the question. How can we capitalize from the market? Okay, I will just adjust this support area to this point. But there's an impulse there. So I can just bring out my rectangle and draw this out like this. Good. But the idea is, how can we capitalize from this market? That's just the idea. How can we capitalize from this market? So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so this is what the market is doing presently. You can just change your line chart. See what's happening. You can bring out your trend line and spot it out like this. Okay, this is a very good one. And mark the one above too. So you can change your candlestick to balance it. You can just balance it with your candlestick. Okay, good. So we can just see price possibly will push upward again, just like a retest of broken trend line before price starts pushing downward next week. It's as easy as that. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame to show you guys the trade that you have to be very, very, very sensitive. And looking at this, you can see something like a very flat formation. Price, this is the first one. Price move again, then we are expecting a push downward. Can you see? It's as easy as that. So you have to be very sensitive as a trader. Make sure you pay attention to what you are doing. So that's what I'm expecting on GBP USD next week. So let me elongate this downward trend line to this possible point. Yeah. So that's what I'm expecting on USD next week. Can you see? Something like a bearish flag. Then price starts selling downward. So let's go to the other pair, which GBPJPY. GBPJPY has been consolidating or a choppy market. GBPJPY has been consolidating or giving a choppy market on the weekly time frame. Well, let's see if we can get something from. So this is GBPJPY on the weekly time frame. Okay. If you've been following up with my YouTube market episode, you'll see it's the same thing. We keep marking. That's just the idea of it, knowing okay what to do, what to react to the market, how to react to the market. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, can you see a lot of the daily time? Well, let's see what we can spot out from it. Let me just mark out this place. So let's pay attention to this place where market is. Change to your line chart. Mark this out like this. Okay. So you can just work complement your rectangle. Okay. So what can we see again? Okay, let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see if we can mark something. Okay, this is the 4 hour time frame. Okay, this market is obviously a downtrending market. So now the thing we are going to do is to like look for an impulse and connect those. So you look for a sell impulse and connect those sell impulse together or sell pressure. And since your line can see that. Okay, you can connect this to this. Good. And you can also look for a buy impulse downward. Connect this to this. So let's look at that. Okay, good. So let's also adjust this one upward here. So good. Price already made the first touch here, second touch here, and the most important touch on the trend line is the third touch. So we are expecting price to possibly push downward, break this level and push downward. But let's see how we can stay capitalized on this market. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. Okay. If we change to a line chart, you'll see there's a level here, which is a low, which price broke. There's a level here. Let me change the line chart. Can you see? So we price possibly push upward again before it starts selling downward. You can just mark. Okay. Let's take that. Just complement the rectangle. Okay. So because I feel this third touch activation is still on, this third touch rejection activation is still on. So we might just like on GBPJPY, price push upward and start selling downward. But we react to what? We react to what we see. So that's what I'm looking out for on GBPJPY. So let's go to the XAUUSD gold, which is our last pair. Gold. Okay, let's go to the weekly time frame. I'm sure you guys are now familiar with these markings because these are the pairs we look out for. I told you guys, if you want me to check out another pair, you can also drop it on the comment section. I'm going to drop it. I'm going to look out for that. So let's mark our areas or our zones. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. Just marking out the zones. We ate so big on gold last week on the Telegram channel. We ate so big on gold last week. So let's put out our trend. Obviously, let's use our trend line. Spot it out. Okay. Okay, so you can change back to your candlestick to adjust it. These are just easier ways to draw your trend line because it's a trend and you use it look for a trend. It's a trend line, then you use it look for a trend because it is a trend line. Now that it's called a trend line, you need to check for bearish trend or bullish trend. It's as easy as that. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me just mark out one zone here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, wait, we can mark out an area here where price is actually approaching support area. Okay, good. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So we can also mark out some zones here. You change your line chart. You see price already broke a structure which actually came back here to retest. If you've been following up with my YouTube videos, I'm sure you also ate big on gold last week because we actually saw this coming. And we ate from it. So that's just the idea, knowing your pairs and monitoring your pairs for you to know, okay, this is the possible outcome. It will be so hard for you to lose in the Forex market. So far, you already have your pairs and you know, okay, this is what you're looking out for. Then you're good to go. So I think we ate gold from here to this point downward on my Telegram channel. So let's see what we can also do to capitalize from this market. Because price has to break this low for it to start coming down, or price can just bounce off from this zone and start going up. Let's go to the 1-hour time. Okay, I can see something. There's a zone here, and see this one too. So let's just change. Okay, look at the first touch here, second touch. So price broke here again, and there's a level there. Let me mark it. You see a buy pressure here, which price broke. And you see, so you can just complement the rectangle too. So we are just waiting for a possible push upward to this area on XAUUSD before price starts coming down for a sell next week. So that's what we are looking out on gold. So we've looked at GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and XAUUSD. So that's what we are looking out for on those three pairs next week. I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to comment your thoughts on the comment section. Share with your family, your friends. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Let's grow this channel, family. You know the vibe. Stay your family, and happy new month in advance. Bye.